moisturizes. You spill on the counter, you just throw it in.
What's up, YouTube? Captain Kobe's back. Listen, I always take the summer off because it's about 120 degrees in this apparatus room. And I do not cook when it's that hot. So the weather's starting to get a little bit cooler. It's not as cool as I like it to be, but it's time to start cooking. You ready?
I'm ready.
Look, I got a fantastic guest with us today, Miss Mima Duce. And I don't know if you remember that pork steak in the gravy we did. This is that same young lady. She is now a beautiful woman, and I'm excited to have her back. She's probably my #1 fan. So hang tight. We're going to do something a little bit similar than what we had last time. And she's an expert on cooking pork steak now in the gravy. We're going to get that done, but we're going to add a little roux to that and make us a fantastic pork stew.
I'm pumped.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. So y'all stay tuned. Maybe we're going to let y'all know exactly what we need to make pork stew.
Let's do it.
I like it. Mima, tell everybody what we need to make a good pork stew.
Alrighty, so today we've got pork fingers, pork steak, 2 onions, bell pepper, some mustard, and of course, Captain Kobe's Cajun seasoning. It's where all the magic happens,
That's
baby.
right. That's what makes the magic happen. I love it. And on my side, I'm gonna make a quick roux. I like to make a homemade roux. So of course, you need a little flour. I love the coconut oil. Like I said, no extra virgin, just the regular coconut oil. It won't make your food taste like coconut oil or coconut. And I'm gonna put a couple neck bones in there. I don't like it overly smoky for a stew, but I do it like a little bit. So we'll drop a couple in there just to kind of give it that extra flavor.
I love it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's make it happen. All right, man. Let's get at it.
Alrighty.
Let's get that cut up. Let me get your bowl right here.
Let's see.
You can cut them as big as you want. I don't like them too small or too big, kind of a medium, and you're doing a fantastic job of that.
We got some bones in there. That's where all that flavor comes from.
You got to have that bone marrow kind of comes out, gives you that extra flavor. I love it.
Yep. Let's see. I remember from last time, we got to put all our meat up the side so everything gets coated the same way.
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to throw a little mustard on there, mix it up real good, then we'll kind of stack them on the side and hit it with that Captain Kobe where you get a good even flavor through there. We're going to put this mustard in here like a little binder, but also mustard is full of spices. It makes your food taste phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
I like it.
And super tender.
That's right.
Ready?
Go ahead and mix it up. Get your hands dirty. I just grab it and go all over there just like that. You'll get it on there. There you go.
Okay.
You good?
Good.
Let me get you some Captain Kobe on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like to come with it.
The #1 rule.
That's right.
We season our food.
Season it well. Hey out there, listen. Remember, season your food well. Okay? When you feel like your food's just doesn't taste quite right, it's probably because you don't have enough salt or enough seasoning that's in there. So if you're looking for a great seasoning to help your food taste fantastic, go check out Captain Kobe. All right, one more time.
One thing I love about your seasoning, though, is it's got no MSG in it.
That's right.
For people that are careful about that, none of that, no sugar.
I don't like the MSG. It gives me a headache, and it kind of blows me up. It makes me hold water. Some people love it. Some people hate it.
Right.
Me personally, I don't care for it.
Right.
Let me get you a little bit of coconut oil in there just to kind of get you going. And when that thing gets hot, ready to go, you can go ahead and get that meat browned up. All right, right, we just about ready to get rolling right here. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's see what we got. You hear that sizzle? I love it.
I know.
Beautiful.
Real close together.
Yeah, get as much as you can in there. We'll probably have a couple of things
Second
to brown
batch.
a little bit, yeah. And while Miss Duce washes her hands, I'm gonna get going on these onions and bell pepper right here.
All righty.
All right. All right, everybody, while Mima got her pork making the gravy, we got our onions ready to go. I'm gonna get this roux started and get moving. Mima, go ahead and...
You got a jar opener?
I'm glad you asked me that. I just got some Captain Kobe jar openers made for everybody. So if you order some seasoning, I usually give everybody a gift. And these are one of the gifts that I have out there. So glad you asked me. We get to use it today.
Thank you.
Look at you. I knew you were strong. So for this roux, we keep it simple. We're going to do 2 cups of coconut oil, 2 cups of flour. Keep it simple.
Easy enough.
Easy peasy.
I really am going to use this thing. You know, I don't have anybody to help me open my jars at home.
Well, good. I'm glad you can use it. I don't know. Listen, guys, most men out there just kind of bootstranding when I can't. You know, we kind of tap it on the table or whatever. But it's good. I don't really never use those things. We have about 27 of them at my house, and I don't use them that much. So.
They're thin, don't take up a lot of space. I like that.
Good.
Coconut oil moisturizes. You spill on the counter, you just throw it in.
How you looking, Mima?
Looking good. I'm getting a good sear on this meat. Got a couple minutes left, and then we'll be rocking and rolling.
All right. We got our roux, nice and dark, right here. And what we're going to do is, now that we got it exactly the color that we like, we're going to throw these onions and bell peppers in here. And what's going to happen is, it's going to help cook these onions and bell peppers a little bit, but it's also going to stop that cooking process of that roux. It won't keep getting dark and dark, and then when you turn it off, that pot's still a little hot, and it'll kind of keep cooking a little bit. So these onions and bell peppers will cook down. And all right. All right, let me show you a little trick. A lot of times people brown their meat and take all the meat out and put the onions and bell pepper in there. Mm-hmm. I do that sometimes, especially with my chicken. But a quick, if you behind on time a little bit, once you got that in there, you can add your onions, bell peppers in there. Go ahead and stir that up. All right, you know what? I'll put this on top. We're gonna let that cook down. And then our onions will be brown, our meat will be brown, and we'll just be waiting for this roux to cook, make it happen.
All right.
All right. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right. Moment of truth right here. How you looking on your, are your onions sweated down?
Oh yeah.
Down to nothing. Got a pretty, look, you got a pretty gravy in there. Come on, get a shot in here. Look at that. And a nice little gravy.
Yep.
Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this roux that I've been cooking for about 30 minutes. Nice and thick, the way I like it. Hold on a second. And I'm just gonna dump this in here. Let me get these. And just make sure that I don't splash on you.
Okay.
And you know what? I'm going to take just a couple of these neck bones. Get that good flavor in there. Let's do one more. All right. So what we're going to do now is just going to let this cook. Bring that back to a low ball right there, and then we're going to put the lid on and then let it cook for 1 hour. We'll be eating in about an hour.
All right.
All right. Come back and check it in a few minutes. All right, everybody, we've been about, 45 minutes? Yeah, let's see what we got. Oh, don't that look fantastic?
Oh yeah.
You know what time it is, Mima?
It's time to eat.
It's taste testing time.
Oh, okay.
So let's get a little bit. How about a little piece of meat too? Oh, so tender, look at that. You're a good cook, Mima, let me tell you. All right. I'm gonna let it cool off just a minute, and we're gonna see if we need any more seasoning. All right. Got about 15 more minutes. All right there, Miss Duce, while that's cooling off, we made a video a couple years ago, a few years ago, and you went in school, and you were brunette.
I was.
Where are we today?
So I am a PA. I work out in Livonia and Maringouin area. I'm seeing some kiddos and loving life. I'm out of school, done for good.
That's
and,
good. Yeah.
Just
Now you're in the real world with the big boys.
with the big dogs,
Yeah.
yes. And
like
cooking, eating, and loving life.
Well, tell everybody what a PA is. Not everybody might not know what that is.
So PA stands for physician assistant. We work alongside doctors, and we can treat patients and prescribe medicine and have our own treatment plan. And it's my dream job. It's everything I wanted it to be.
But look, why you here? My knee kind of been bothered. No, I'm just kidding. That's awesome. I'm so proud of you. I've seen you grow up as a kid, and now you are a grown woman with a fantastic job. And
Thank you.
I wish nothing but great things for you.
Thank
So
you.
great job. I know that takes a lot of hard work and discipline to be a physician assistant. So
Thank
great
you.
job.
Thank you, thank you.
All right.
Are we doing the Cajun word of the day?
You can if you want to.
Okay, let's do.
I haven't done a Cajun word of the day in a while, so absolutely, let's get one done.
Let's do pork or pig or something in honor of what we're cooking.
Well, I tell you what, the French word for pig is cochon, and what we're making today is a stew, and a stew in French is a fricassee.
Okay.
I don't know if you heard of that.
Fricassee.
So we're gonna make an fricassee de cochon.
There we go.
So Cajun word of the day, fricassee de cochon. How about that? All right, let's see where we at. We're at the 1 hour mark.
Y'all don't know how good this smells.
I know, right? If we had smell-o-vision, we'd be all right. Let's see. It's good. I would like to go a little longer, make it a little thicker. But we got some hungry firemen here today, and we're going to feed them. I know you're hungry too, right?
Oh, well, I'm hungry.
All right. Well, let's go eat. All right, everybody. Moment of truth. As you can see, everybody's eating because they know it's absolutely phenomenal. What y'all think?
Amazing.
Yeah, it's really good.
Huh?
Really delicious.
All right, everybody. I started eating too. I just tasted. I started eating too. So, hey, listen. If you want a good fricassee, get yourself some pork steaks. Call Mima. She probably won't go cook with you. You got to be a special guy. But follow this recipe. You absolutely love it. And as we always say, keep cooking and we'll
See
see you in the kitchen. That's what I'm talking about. Great job.